Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to explain about the object inspector and most specifically about the component list. The component list is a drop-down that is on the object inspector that shows all the components that are included on a form. Initially, when the form is empty, you only get the instance for the form here, and the goal of this drop-down is always to reflect what are to what control or what property, and you will see that later, belongs all the properties and events that are shown below. So for example, if we drop here, let's say a button, okay, now this is showing the selected item on the form designer, and this will be the properties of that item. Okay, if we drop down here, we will be able also to change what is the active selection, okay, and also supports multi-selection. So for example, if we create here another button and we select both of them, here we will see that there are two items selected, okay, so it's always reflecting the active selection. Also, for example, if we rename this control to button 1, okay, we can, using keys on your keyboard, you can search for any component. So if we press F, for example, we switch to the form, we press W to the button 1, B to button 1, etc. Okay, so it's a nice way. If you have like hundreds of components in a form, you can search for any component by the name using this control. Also supports component lists, collections. So we are going to drop here this control that features a collection type property, which is items. If we select that property here, we will have or we will see what property is being selected. In this case, there are no properties that are listed here because this is just a collection and has no extra properties. But if we create a new item on that collection, okay, the component list is going to show the first item on the collection, and here are the properties of that item. But even if we select, for example, the items property of that item, we get here the items property of the first item of the collection property of the items property of the list control, okay, and so on. This works on unlimited levels, so we are always getting a nice indication of what is being selected and what to which property or component belong all the properties that you are going to get here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.